What's up, everybody? I'm Taylor Perry, master barber for 24 years and scalp micropigmentation artist. I want to teach you guys a little bit about scalp micropigmentation and educate you guys on a procedure that can literally change your career. Those of you who don't know what scalp micropigmentation is, it's also called SMP. It is the king of hair enhancements. As barbers, especially in our industry today, hair enhancements have become humongous. Beiging, you got the spray, the hair fibers, just hair enhancements, period, have taken our careers to the next level. But what can take it even farther? Scalp micropigmentation is the king of hair enhancements. It's a form of cosmetic tattooing, but it's so intertwined with the barber industry and barbering itself. It is something every high-level barber should do and should provide for their clients.
What's up, man? Pleasure to meet you, bro. Pleasure, bro.
Step one, we're gonna cut the client's hair and prep his skin to draw the hairline. We shaved his whole head with a 5-0, which is the same as a T outliner, and hit him all around. So we're gonna clean him off now, get all the hair off him. Anyone who steps foot in your barber shop is a potential client for scalp micropigmentation. No matter the amount of hair they have, it doesn't matter. We got other guys that have more hair. They still don't shave their head bald, like they're maybe doing a number 2 on top or even long hair. If that's the situation, then we'll cut it down, maybe like a 1 on top with a 0, you know, we'll figure out a haircut. But you're not obligated to shave everybody's head bald. It's all gonna go on the scenario, and that's one of the benefits of being a barber, is we're gonna get to choose the haircuts that fit best for the clients. We're not obligated to shave everybody's head down. So basically, it's a cosmetic tattoo. We make tiny, tiny little impressions the same size as the hair follicle. So if they're completely bald, we're filling in the whole top and we're blending it into the sides, making it look like the appearance of hair. Now we're gonna draw the hairline. Step 2, with our wax pencil, we're gonna map out that hairline and get him nice and sharp. If he wants a barbershop edge up, or he wants it to look more soft and natural, whatever it may be, we're gonna determine that with each client. Us as barbers, we do hairlines, you know, we're doing 10 to 30 hairlines a day for years and years and years. No one in this world knows hairlines better than we do. All right, so we got the hairline done. We're gonna move on to the next chair and start the SMP. After we solidify that hairline, we're gonna take them over to the tattoo chair, get them prepped up for that SMP, and go ahead and choose our pigments of choice. We're gonna go ahead and mix our ink and get ready to do the SMP. I'm using, of course, PermaBlend only. And I'm gonna start matching it up, modifying this ink to a nice, like, dark ashy brown, and get started. Step 4, once we finish mixing that ink, now we're gonna go ahead and start performing scalp micropigmentation. Not bad, right? I was probably the second or third barber to start performing this procedure 4 years ago. Me as a barber, I'm used to working 10, 12 hours a day, doing haircuts for $30 appointments, $20 walk-ins, whatever it may be. Once I started doing SMP, I'm booking every client for 3 hours. We're doing 2 to 3 clients a day, 5, 6 days a week for the last 4 years. We're talking $20 to $40 haircuts. That's the average ballpark throughout the whole country. Now, scalp micropigmentation, average ballpark per client is $2,500 to $3,500 per client. Again, the only time I cut hair now is when they're coming in for SMP. You can do 3, 4 clients a month, double your income, or you can do 3, 4 clients a day and completely change you and your family's life. Once we're done doing the SMP, we're gonna go ahead and clean them up. Again, this process takes typically around 2 hours. We're gonna get some after pictures and let him check out his new hairline.
Okay. I look like my age now, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Appreciate you coming, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I finish everybody with about 2 sessions. Occasionally, if they don't heal well, we're gonna need to do a third, but typically 2 sessions, and man, they're good to go and you have completely changed their life. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, hit me up on Instagram at Taylor Perry. And if you're interested in learning scalp micropigmentation and adding this to your barbershop, hit me up at taylorperry.com and let's get you guys trained.